to my channel. My name is Lex and today I am going to be doing this makeup look. This has been my go-to. I haven't done like a makeup tutorial look moment in so long. I'm very excited. I have not primed, so let's do that first. I'm not going to talk about products too much. I'll touch on my favorites, but I will leave everything down in the description. This is going to be more of like an application, technique, routine style video. For this look, I always do my eyes first. This is not always the case with my makeup routine. That being said, I'm going to start with a concealer and an eyeshadow primer. I've been very into the like bleached, no eyebrows eyebrow look for a very long time at this point. I do actually really want to just bleach my eyebrows. I just have not pulled the trigger yet. We like them to look like they're there, but they're not the statement, which is very funny because I used to, 2016 brows were my thing for a very long time. I definitely used way too much concealer here. 2016 brows were my thing, and I wouldn't say aren't my thing anymore, but definitely just not my go-to. So there's no exact science to this. I do start with a black base. My favorite black eyeshadow that also has shimmer in it right now is from Cursed. This is such a true black and has such a nice shimmer. You could totally use like the Naked palette, any other black that you really love that either has shimmer or is just a true deep black. Go crazy. I'm putting this all over my eyelid, leaving it kind of smoky towards the crease and really going heavy towards my lash line. Honestly, messier the better, and we're gonna blend all of that out anyways. I will end up going back in with this black one other time just to darken things after everything is blended. Alright, let's get this blended out. The Moon Dust little single palette eyeshadows from Urban Decay are so good, my favorite. I'll be using the shades Lithium and Space Cowboy today. The brown shade is the one we're going to use to blend this out. The goal here is to really merge these. I would start light and build it up. They are very buildable, and I usually like to start right on top of the black and just diffuse with this. The shimmer this adds almost immediately is just actually unreal. I like to bring this right up to my eyebrow, even a little bit in there. The taller, the more wide your eye is gonna look, or more like opened. If you wanted more of like a cat eye look, you could totally bring it out. We're not doing a wing or anything like that, so this is perfect. All right, that looks awesome. We're gonna be able to clean up the edges a bit when we go in with the base and then conceal, so this is gonna be awesome. I will end up blurring this out even more with the other shade of the Moon Dust, so we'll get to that when we do the base. The Moon Dust really is the key player in this look. I am gonna go over it once more with the black and really just define close to my lash line. I don't wear any mascara or lash product with this look, mostly because mascara honestly drives me insane, but you could obviously wear mascara if you wanted to. I choose not to. I think this look is a great excuse and way to avoid it completely. Don't want to lose the glitter on this, so I'm still then gonna take the brown and tap over this. Just make sure there's no harsh lines. Amazing. I love this part. This is where the whole look transforms. Going in first with my holy grail, the Haus Labs foundation. I love this stuff so much. Very buildable, and we love her. I'm definitely a full coverage kind of girl. Light makeup has never really been my game. It's either all or nothing. This foundation is super skin-like, which I love that I can go full coverage with her. Next, we're gonna go in with concealer that I also use for my brows. I realize that I use a lot of makeup, but that's okay because there are no rules. Going in with the KVD Lock-It translucent powder. I've been using this for years. It truly is either this or Laura Mercier. I'm also a matte girly through and through. Besides like shimmer eyeshadow, I am not a glowy, dewy base kind of person. Never have been, and honestly I don't know if I ever will be. I think other people can pull it off and it looks fantastic. I do not feel like I'm one of those people. I'm classic for simply using an eyeshadow for contours. We're using the shade Naked. We're rolling with what we got. The universe said, figure it out. And that, my friends, is the theme of this year. Next, we're going in with blush. Really love this like romantic pink shade. I do this right on the corners of my cheekbones into my temples, kind of my under eye. Feeling very called, I'm feeling very inspired. I feel like I've been very into makeup lately. There's some new pieces that I'm really itching to get that I haven't pulled the trigger on yet. But I feel like I'm kind of having like a 2016, 2017 like resurfacing. Because I definitely was in my like makeup collecting, practicing, learning era back then. The base is pretty much done. This is very exciting. We're very close. One of the biggest things I love about this look is it's quick. Let me know in the comments if you think I should bleach my eyebrows. Maybe that will be my next tutorial or vid. I don't know, but I've been so 50-50 on it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I pull the trigger? Final touches to eyeshadow. We're gonna do my highlight, lips, and honestly we're done. That's it. So going in now with the Space Cowboy shade that I mentioned earlier, we're gonna go back in and re-diffuse everything. I'm also gonna be using this as my highlight. We don't care if she's an eyeshadow. She can be what she wants. I like putting this right up into my eyebrow. I'm actually going to go over this one more time with the lithium shade, define the crease a little bit more without creating any lines. Alright, this is where I'm going to bake. I'm going to do that for a minute. I'm going to curl my lashes, lips, and we're done. I do go a little hard on my like T-zone, like central area, just because I do have oilier type skin, so this helps a lot. There's a cat on my lap. The final look, I'm so obsessed with this and very happy that I got to kind of show you the step-by-step on how I do this look. I would love to hear what you guys thought of this, what you would like to see next from me on YouTube, and of course, if you try this look, don't forget to tag me so I can see. That being said, the final look. Thank you for being here. I will see you next time.